And so, ita-try out na natin yung crema catalana with the garlic, parang sauteed, ay parang caramelized garlic pala to nakalagay. Caramelized garlic to. So, titigman natin. Imagine dessert, merong garlic na kasama. Who would have thought? So, crazy garlic. Go. Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. This is The Spec. My name is Nico. So, we're off to another adventure today. Kasama ko si Vanessa, the ever reliable... bakit siya gumagalaw? Yan, the ever reliable Vanessa. Yes. Anyway, so, dito kami ngayon sa One Ayala. And compared to Glorieta, parang, better siya kasi konti lang yung tao. So, we opted here. Actually, ang initial plan was to go to this Vietnamese restaurant dun sa sa Taft. Kasi sobrang init. So, dito kami ngayon. Ang pupuntahan namin na restaurant ay Crazy Garlic. So, under siya ng Bistro Group. So, this is on the 3rd level. So, yan. So, nakita ko talaga yung vlog ni Alex Gonzaga. And, parang sarap na sarap sila sa kinakain nila for some reason. So, titignan namin kung totoo talaga to. So, this is how it looks like pag dito ka sa One Ayala. Ayan o. Yan, ito yung mga restaurants. There are different restaurants here. And then, ayan yung Glorieta 5. Then, Rustan's over there. This is the entire Ayala, Makati. Then, ito yung Glorieta complex. Inaayos pa nila yan. I think 2026 yata yung plan na bubongga siya. Anyway, so kami ay kakain sa Crazy Garlic. So, ang tanong is, gaano ka-crazy yung garlic nila? Na-curious ako kasi lahat ng dishes nila infused with garlic daw. Even yung dessert.
Oh.
So that's something worth exploring. So we're now here. I think onti lang naman yung tao. Ayan, Crazy Garlic. So, ayan, kailangan yata ng reservations. So, dito na kami, Papareserve ba?
Pangatlo, wait.
Yeah, it's okay. So, we're waiting here. Third na kami on queue. Alright, thank you. Thank you. So, pwede kami mag-pre-order na, no? Okay. Okay. Thank you. So, order muna kami. What I like about dito sa One Ayala is hindi siya as crowded compared to Glorieta or any of the Ayala malls. Oo. And mind you, may transport hub pa sa baba niyan ha. So, puntahan talaga siya ng mga tao. Wait. Sabi dito, it takes a special kind of crazy. Hence, crazy garlic. Charot. Anyway, so, ito siya. Ito yung eksena namin. So, third kami on queue. Antay na lang muna kami. Oh, and then, si Glorieta pala, meron silang newly opened na bridge from One Ayala, that bridge over there. So, hindi na kailangan tumawid-tawid pa dyan sa Cali kasi dati, dyan kami. Oh, ayun yung itsura pala niya. Habang kinoconstruct si Glorieta. I think it's going to be an open space soon. Yeah. So, nag-reroute na ng mga sasakyan. So, I'm excited for the new Glorieta. Anyway, so may bridge nga doon. Na-distract bigla. So may bridge doon from One Ayala all the way to Greenbelt 5. And then sa Greenbelt 5, may passage under that, pa-parking. Pwede kang dumiretso papunta ng Glorieta 4 and the entire Glorieta complex. So may ganun. Gawa kaya ako ng vlog na ganun, no? Anyway, so we opted for Crazy Garlic today for lunch. Tignan nga natin yung menu nila. So, here's their menu. So may pa-mocktail sila dyan. Ooh. Ito yung nakita ko sa vlog, yung Turon Crisp and Sip.
Yes.
Baka gusto ko itry yan. And then, lahat mocktails. Baka puro drinks to.
Meron doon sa loob.
Oh, ay ito na yung mga main dishes na. Ito yung mga masasarap na eh. Yan. Let's try it out. And then mga beauty bites. Siguro yung mga ganong restaurants, no, kailangan ng may kahati.
Yeah.
Uy, ito yung Lieutenant Colonel, yun yung nakita ko sa vlog. And then, yung pepper poppers. Tignan natin. Ang katakot yung poppers. Charet. Yung salad, Marabout salad. Ayan o, ito yung mga dishes. Ay, masarap tong ano, Malaya kare-kare. Ate kare-kare, ang cute. Asian crispy pork belly, brace me up. Yan. I think they have itong sassy sausage and chicken gumbo. Sige. Hindi naman tayo masyadong mahilig sa meat eh. Maraming pwedeng itry. Anyway, gusto ko check yung dessert nila. Kasi nakita ko dun sa vlog. Merong parang garlic infused na dessert. Doon ako nakikurious. Parang, paano kaya ito, no? Wait. Ito. Ayan ba, no? Yung crazy crema catalana. Meron siyang garlic na kasama, oh. Something different. At saka yung beta carrot, ano to? Carotene kasi, ba't carotene? Charet. Gusto ko try yung crazy crema catalana. So, na-curious ako sa appetizer nyo. Ay, bigyan mo ko nitong, ito yung bestseller nyo, di ba? No. Tama. Turon Crisp and Sip. And then, bigyan mo ko nung Lieutenant something. Ito, Lieutenant Colonels. Good for ilang pieces?
For 1
Okay. Sige, isa niyan. And then, for pasta. Anong bestseller nyo for pasta? Or yung pinaka, specialty nyo talaga? Oh, ano yun? Oh, this one. Talaga? How much is it?
495 for it.
Sige nga. Hindi ito? Talaga? Sige, go. Sabi mo eh. Promise? What's your name? Si Charlotte pala. That's her name. Akala ko joke mo lang kanina. Sa isa nito, good for regular lang. Yeah. Regular is how much? Okay. Alright. And then, ito, gusto mo dessert?
Yeah.
Bestseller nyo to? Or specialty? Ito talaga gusto na ko i-try ito. Kasi may itong crazy crema catalana. Para siyang creme brulee, pero may garlic sa ibabaw. Doon ako na-curious eh. Nag-usap kami, yung olio daw. Olio? Simply olio pala. Tone down on the oil daw. Tumatanda na talaga tayo. So, yung olio doon, yun yung oil?
No, hindi kasi hindi kasi
Olio,
yung
oil.
branch,
Charot.
very oily.
Okay.
Lasa ka na yung oil, not the pasta.
True. It's all about the oil. Ayan. Papasok na kami.
Ma'am, what time po yung order? Isang for your pasta yung order, 150 order na? Yes. Ma'am,
Ang cute. Nakalagay. Crazy is welcome here. Aww. Thank you. Ang cute ng chandelier. Yan o, nice. May complimentary, complimentary bread silang ganyan. Yay!
My friend na guy,
Okay.
naghahanap ng potential partner. So ito naman si Mike, inisip ako. So, naririnig ba ako?
Yeah.
So sabi ko, oh sige, perfect.
Masarap ng pandesal. Malambot. Wait lang.
Pero, kami lang din, naging group date.
Talaga? Kailan to?
Last week.
Ang sarap ng butter.
So si Mel, namin yung niyaya na friends. So hindi namin kilala ni kami.
My God, napa-refill kami ng pandesal. Sa magasing galing yung pandesal na yan. Masarap yung butter.
Mainit kasi.
Oo, mainit. Masarap ang creamy ng butter. Tapos, ay, nung pandesal. Kasi yung butter, garlic infused talaga siya. Naku, mapaparami tayo ng pandesal dito.
Tapos busog na tayo.
Hindi naman, complimentary naman eh. So, I like the idea na pandesal siya as compared to the other restaurants na talagang baguette, yung mga ganong bread. Ito, very Filipino. Sarap! So, nag-round 2 na kami ng pandesal. Diyos ko. Dito tayo mabubusog sa papandesal nila eh. Tapos butter. Masarap.
Hindi na tumigat na
Refill ulit ng pandesal. So, dumating yung food namin. Let me show you.
Alam ko buong corn.
Yan, so dumating na yung appetizer namin. Ito yung Lieutenant Colonel's with the sauce. I think tartar sauce siguro. And then ito yung zucchini.
Delicious.
Zucchini's licious. So zucchini siya and then dip lang siyang ganyan. Ayan, so ang itatry na natin ngayon is yung Lieutenant Colonel's. Kamay na lang natin. So spicy siya. Ito siya. And then, i-dip natin dito sa sauce. So, ang gagawin natin, tikman muna natin without the sauce. So, masarap siya without the sauce. But with the sauce, So, kinain ko yung tangkay. Hindi pala dapat, no? Tapos meron siyang spices. And then, meron siyang, ano to, Parmesan cheese na kasama. Sarap. Sarap. Next to try would be yung zucchini naman. Ano to? Zucchini licious. Without the sauce. Then with the sauce. Mas bet ko yung zucchini. Sarap. So, dumating na yung pasta namin. Ito ay, ano tong kinuha mo?
Simple olio.
Simple olio with less oil. And then akin, ito yung pasta na bestseller or yung specialty talaga nila mismo. Yung chicken something. Lagay ko na lang text dito. Nakalimutan ko na yung name nung dish eh.
Follow.
And then yung drink natin. Dilagay ko na rin yung text, yung name nung drink na to. So, let's try it! So, hindi siya main entree but it's one of their pasta choices and options. Ito yung chicken something. Ito yung pinaka-specialty nila. So, natutunan ko na, instead of asking for the bestseller, ask for the specialty. Kasi ang idea is, kung bestseller kasi, it's not necessarily the specialty of the restaurant, but yung preference ng mga tao outside. So it's kind of influenced by the preferences ng mga tao or mga customers. But sabi specialty, regardless kung bestseller siya or hindi, or preference ng mga tao or hindi, it's their specialty. So yun yung tinanong ko yun. Nakalagay doon specialty talaga. So mag-iiba, no? This could be a bestseller,
But regardless kung bestseller siya or hindi, specialty talaga siya. Kasi tinanong ko niya eh, ano specialty nyo? Ito. Pero iba yung bestseller na pasta. Di ba? Yun yung sinabi kanina. And I think ito yung sa'yo yung bestseller. Ito yung bestseller, yung simple olio. Ito yung chicken. Ito yung parang pinaka-specialty nila. So titignan mo ko pareho. Nakitikim sa pagkain ni Vanessa. So, ang excited ako about would be yung crema catalana, yung creme brulee na may garlic sa ibabaw. Yun yung pinunta ko talaga dito. Ang pasta ko ay farfalle. This is farfalle. Masarap to. Tignan mo. Garlic, medyo spicy siya. Masarap yung pasta. I think it's with oil, garlic oil. So nalubat na talaga yung DJ icon. So phone camera na lang ang gamit ko. Alright. Alright. Mulo. Ito patikim ako. Like isang ganun lang. Wala ang lagay ko sa plato ko muna. Ano? Dami ko din. Pwede ako ng ito yung simple olio. Eh, kuna ka marami. With chicken. Damihan mo ha. So ito yung hindi ko na nga siya. Damihan mo dahil ha. Hindi. Anyway, tinabi ko talaga yung mga natira dun sa Lieutenant Colonel. So mag-cleanse muna tayo ng palate. At bakit dalawang straw yung nandito? Hindi tayo mag-jowa, Kev. Ooh! Ito mo rin to. Masarap yung paturon shake nila. Turon and crisp something new. Ito yung simple olio nila. I like this. Yeah. Infused with oil and then garlic. Less spicy, sabi mo? No. Less oil. Ooh. I love this. I love that. No? Mag-cleanse muna tayo ng palate. And I just want to say na I did not expect yung ambience would be as dynamic, as lively, as active. Kasi sa labas, parang medyo quiet lang tignan. Pagpasok parang, ang ingay. Dami tayo, sobrang busy ng mga, parang may party kami sa nalihan dito. Ano yung mga attendants, mga servers, sobrang they're still efficient. They're able to provide you with what you need. Sobrang amazing ng service. Pero sobrang they're everywhere kasi ang dami talagang tao. And sobrang bilis. Mabilis yung service nila, to be fair. So let's try out again yung mga kubo dish or pasta. So farfalle. Ano siyang mushroom na kasama. I must bet ko to. Huh? Sarap na. May pa-birthday dito, mama! Oh my God! Happy birthday, everyone! Happy birthday po! Yes! Na-capture ng vlog yon. I love it. Happy birthday, everyone! Ang saya!
Pag may birthday, nag-iba siya.
Yeah,
Sa
yeah.
kamo, kasi may
Hindi na titignan yung ID mo, no? So again, this is Bistro Group. So I think yung same brand. If mag-TGIF ka, may pa-birthday pa dyan. Same vibe niya. I like it. Kasi siguro I think they maintained yung parang ganun ka-lively. Kasi iba yung pagka-lively naman sa Fridays. Parang, yung parang muted yung parang ambience ay yung interiors. Dito parang buhay na buhay. And then, like crazy everywhere. Charot. Kaya siguro crazy garlic siya. You can be crazy. Ang sarap. Yay. So ito yung Turon Crisp something sippy. May mga pa-effect siyang ganyan. Dapat kinakain. Lala. Okay. Thank you. So very very bistro nga. So sa Fridays, meron silang na ganito na they'd ask, check on the customers, and then pag natanong nila kung okay yung food, nilalapag na sila method to ensure na okay yung mga tao. Good. Okay. Ang gusto ko na lang tikman is yung dessert. Yung crema. So, dumating na yung dessert namin. Ito yung crema catalana. O, di ba natandaan ko yung name niya, pero yung ibang dishes hindi ko na matandaan. So, ayan. Ano siya, garlic yung nandyan sa ibabaw, and then parang creme brulee siya na dish. So, tikman natin. And so, ita-try out natin yung crema catalana with the garlic. Parang sauteed, parang caramelized garlic pala to nakalagay. Caramelized garlic. So, titikman natin. Imagine dessert, merong garlic na kasama. Who would have thought? So, crazy garlic. Go crazy. At ano siya, matigas yung sa creme brulee nga. Ayan, nagko-crumble. Nagko-crumble. So, titikman natin with the garlic. Ay, makasama na siyang garlic. Ayan o. So, yun yung garlic ko sa ilalim. There, this one. Ayan. That's oddly delicious. Saman mo ng garlic pag kain mo. Sarap. Yung isang buo. Ito, tikman na natin yung garlic. Nasa siyang garlic. Na-caramelized. Medyo weird. Parang, I think acquired taste na kumain ng caramelized garlic. Crazy garlic. Surprisingly, yung garlic not as spicy or hot. It's sweet. Plus yung parang custard na kasama. Yan. I like this. Crazy garlic is a different kind of experience, I would say. 8, ano sa'yo?
8/10.
Overall, pagka, lasa,
Yes,
ganyan.
ambience, ganon. So, 10 highest sa so 8. So, go.
Ayan, so 8 out of 10. Ako siguro I would give it siguro with the consideration ng price point niya,
I would give it a 7.5. What I like the most is, interesting din yung lasa nung crema, Catalan. Unique siya kasi may garlic siya na parang caramelized garlic. Nagustuhan ko rin yung shake, yung turon, crisp, and sip shake, but it could have been more elevated. For the price, I was kind of expecting more. I think what I also liked yung specialty nila, yung pasta na kinuha ko. I'll give it an 8, I think, out of a 10. Yung shake naman, yung turon, crisp, and sip, I'll give it, I would say, a 7. And then, siguro, ano ba yung kinain natin? Yung zucchini. I like the zucchini though. Zucchini. I'll give it an 8.5 out of a 10. Yung corn cob, yung lieutenant colonels, siguro I will give it a 7. Sorry. I missed out on the pandesal. I think yung mga hindi mo expect, yung complimentary na pandesal.
Complimentary pandesal, yung cream is 9.
Ay my God, 9. Like, what the hell? Kung ano pa yung complimentary, yun pa yung tinaasan natin na rating, no? In fairness sa pandesal, parang ino-oven nila eh. Hinihit nila, soft siya, creamy, plus yung garlic butter nila, yun yung masarap. Nakailang rounds kami in refill, 3 or 4 na beses yata. May isa kaming pina-refill pa hindi na dumating kasi sobrang busog na namin. Nayaan na namin kasi school, libre lang naman. The pandesal and the garlic butter really elevated the experience. Parang pwedeng yun na lang sana in order namin, di ba? Anyway, so overall, I'll give it a 7 siguro, 7.5. Decent experience. Siguro ang nagpa-elevate lang sa amin, I guess, would be yung service nila. Mabilis yung mga servers, mga attendants, they're attentive. They're super quick. Kahit ang dami ng mga tao, sobrang bilis nila. They're able to serve us efficiently. So I'll give them a 10 for that in terms of service. I think, is it crazy inside? Yung ambience, yung environment lang made it really crazy. Sobrang very festive. May pa-birthday song lang ganyan. Iba yung feels niya compared to, say, Fridays. Pero, hindi na ako makita. Compared to Fridays, pero siguro, yun yung nagpa-crazy sa kanya, kaya siya crazy garlic. And I think it's crazy garlic because they're really pushy and innovative when it comes to adding or infusing garlic into their dishes. Especially yung dessert nila na creme brulee. Yun. So I think that's it. This is where we end our vlog. Van, thank you so much for joining me talaga. Happy birthday. Anyway, so join me in the next food adventure or any adventure out there. This is The Spec. Do subscribe to this channel, give it a like, share this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye!